she's still here. We're gonna work on this. Baby? Gary, what's up?
Just going through looking for parts.
Checking out some parts.
Well, part numbers that I may or may not be missing.
Don't be missing nothing.
I don't know if I have much of a in that one.
Well, all right. I'll take your word for it. What are you doing?
I am taking a bunch of pictures for a trans warranty.
A warranty, Joel.
Yep.
Cool. You have to get in there real good.
Hold the trans pan, take a picture of the inside of the transmission, and take a picture of all the lines, trans cooler, so we can get everything set up.
So you're going under?
Yep.
All right. Going down under.
Down under.
Oh my gosh, where are you? What the hell? Where are you at? Oh my gosh. That scared the shit out of me. I was like,
He's having fun already. Big Bertha.
I'm just trying to fix the,
you're really going at it.
fix the fuel pump.
It's a nice little spot.
Yeah, I'm hiding from everybody.
Yeah, I didn't even know you were there.
I know.
Scary. Pop out of nowhere. All right. Guess it's the underjobs tonight. Thirsty Thursday. You thirsty for some coffee? You want me to make you some coffee?
Bro, I already got some coffee.
All right, just checking on you. You always take more. All right, refill. Just for today. That's a big beast.